Grizzly bear versus brown bear versus black bear versus polar bear versus panda. What are the differences? Tiger Brothers created. All of these animals are bears, which means they share strong bodies, thick fur, and excellent senses that help them survive in very different environments. Even though they look different, they all belong to the same bear family and have similar bones, teeth, and walking style. Grizzly bears are actually a type of brown bear, famous for their shoulder hump and long claws used for digging. People often use the name grizzly to describe brown bears that live inland in North America. Brown bears are found across Europe, Asia, and North America, and they can live in forests, mountains, and coastal areas. Some brown bears grow very large, especially those that live near rivers full of salmon. Black bears are usually smaller than brown bears and often have straight faces and tall ears. Despite their name, black bears can be black, brown, cinnamon, or even blonde in color. Polar bears live in the Arctic, where ice, snow, and freezing winds shape their lives. Their white fur and thick fat layer help them stay warm and blend into icy surroundings. Giant pandas live in mountain forests in China and are famous for eating bamboo almost all day. Unlike other bears, pandas have a special wrist bone that works like a thumb for holding food. Bears live in very different habitats, from icy oceans to green forests and tall mountains. Each species is specially adapted to the place it calls home. Some bears eat mostly meat or fish, while others eat plants, insects, and fruit. Pandas are the most unusual because bamboo makes up most of their diet. Fun fact: polar bears are excellent swimmers and can travel many kilometers without resting. Fun fact: black bears are very good climbers and often escape danger by climbing trees. Bears use their strong sense of smell to find food from far away. Some bears can smell food even when it is hidden under snow or underground. Although bears can look scary, most prefer to avoid people and spend time alone. They usually become aggressive only when surprised or protecting their cubs. Different bears have different body sizes, from smaller black bears to very large polar and brown bears. Their size often matches the environment and food they depend on. Fun fact: grizzly bears get their name from the light-colored tips of their fur, not because they are always angry. Fun fact: pandas spend more than half of their day eating bamboo. All bears are important to their ecosystems, helping control food chains and spread seeds. Protecting their habitats helps keep nature healthy and balanced. Grizzly bears, brown bears, black bears, polar bears, and pandas all share the same bear family, but each one is adapted to a unique way of life. Their differences in habitat, food, size, and behavior show how animals evolved to survive in many parts of the world.